Okay, so you just took your semester 1 AP biology final, and you probably fall into one of these categories. A, completely relieved that it's over. 2, confident that you aced it. Or D, bummed that you didn't do better. No matter where you stand or what your grade was, I promise you that if you follow this exam hack, it will increase your chances of scoring a 5 on the AP exam in May. Plus, it only takes about 10 minutes to complete. It's time for some AP Bio confidence reflection. I need you to rate the major topics of each unit based on how confident you are with the information. Now, this works best if you have a scored exam to reference, but if your teacher hasn't returned them, you can still get really good information if you're truly honest with yourself. So click down in the description below to print a copy of the semester exam confidence sheet. You'll notice it has all 8 units on it because some classes start with Unit 7, while others begin the year with Unit 1. You'll only need to rate the unit topics where your specific semester 1 exam covered. You'll also notice that the rating scale has no numbers on it. That's because this is a trust your gut exercise. So add a dot, a star, a dash, a smiley face. Any marking to show where your confidence level falls along the line. Don't overthink it, there's no wrong answers. And if there were particular topics or questions that really stumped you, add something about that in the notes section too. Once you've completed all of the units that were on your exam, I want you to put the paper away and forget about it. Better yet, take a picture of it first, just in case you lose it, and then you can put it away. When April comes around and it's time to really review for the AP Bio exam, don't just turn to Chapter 1 and read your notes from September. Instead, take out the semester exam confidence sheet, scan down the list, and study the topics that you rated lowest first. Bonus, if you complete the confidence ratings for all of the units that you learned in the spring too. This strategy is going to save you a ton of time and give you specific areas to focus on when you're studying. AP prep season is really stressful, but your future self will thank you for completing this topic rating now while it's still fresh in your mind. This exam hack is fast, has a huge payoff, and can be used for any subject. So like, comment, and share this video with a friend who's also hoping to get that 5 in May. And when you're ready to practice, make sure to sign up for the AP Bio Ultimate Review Packet.